guess we can all agree that the weather has been really, really hot. And the unstable power situation isn't even helping matters. Luckily, I just got a package from TSES. It's their new rechargeable fan, and we're going to do an unboxing. I'm going to be coupling it right now. One cool thing about this fan is that it can rotate in almost any direction of your choice. But right now I want it facing me. It has a 5000 mAh battery capacity, which could last 6 to 8 hours on low speed. And the best part is that if it actually dies, you could always plug it into your power bank. I know, right? This heat wave and power outage has something else. It's available on Jumia, Konga, and on www.bensulimited.com. I'll wait for you to go get yours one like 4.4 around.